I'm going to highlight some of the most important bits we discussed.
I am Dr. Heather, and I am at the NJEA convention in Atlantic City. I am down here promoting about Dr. Heather presentations, coming to a school nationally by you. Presentations on substance use prevention, vaping, gambling, and other issues that are facing our students in K through 12 and colleges. We are also talking to parents and faculty. These issues are too important to just let them go by. I've been here for 3 days, and I can't tell you how many people have stopped by my booth to tell me about how gambling is such a huge problem in the schools, how vaping is taking over. Our kids are the new generation of smokers. So reach out to me. Let's educate our kids. Let's stop them and educate them and prevent them from making bad choices. Because remember, one good decision can change your life and our kids' lives. Reach out to me at heather@drheathertalks.com. I'm going to dance on out, and I'll see you soon. Bye.